Hey guys, Racer 450R50. Yeah, it's the Winter Storm 2010. It's around 4 p.m. on February 6th. We still got probably another 4 hours of snow before it finally all stops. But yeah, I don't know how well you can see any of this. Got the porch shoveled. Can't put any more snow up there. I don't know, I can only shovel snow so high. Or throw it at least. That mound right there, that's actually our minivan. All you can see is maybe the mirror and antenna. That's our trailer. Trash cans and everything. Luckily my car's alright. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go out back and take a little measurement real quick. Now on my back deck. I live next to a huge farm, so you really can't see much. But yeah, that's our table. I'll take a quick measurement and see how much we got here. Try not to fall onto this. Okay, looks like we're at just about 28 inches. Still have a couple hours to go, but yeah. I think it's gonna be around for a while. Okay, let's race 450R50. Yeah, anyone watching the video, you should click that little subscribe button in the corner. Be real cool. So don't forget to comment and rate. Thanks. See ya.